Cow. Look at Mama Cow. Her baby's called a calf. What sound does her baby make? Duck. Look at Mama Duck. Her babies are called ducklings. What sound does her baby make? Pig. Look at Mama Pig. Her babies are called piglets. What sound do her baby makes? Chicken. Look at Mama Chicken. Her babies are called chicks. What sound do her baby make? Sheep. Look at Mama Sheep. Her baby is called a lamb. What sound does her baby make? Horse. Look at Mama Horse. Her baby is called a foal. What sound does her baby make? Cat. Look at Mama Cat. Her babies are called kittens. What sound does her baby make? Dog. Look at Mama Dog. Her babies are called puppies. What sound do her baby make? Goat. Look at Mama Goat. Her baby is called a kid. What sound does her baby make? Donkey. Look at Mama Donkey. Her baby is called a foal. What sound does her baby make? Until next time, subscribe.